Hey, it's Melissa of melissacreates.com, a lifestyle blog dedicated to celebrating everything, baking lots of sweets, and frequent trips to Disney. Let's be besties. Let's get to the good stuff. I am married to my high school sweetheart. We celebrated 10 years of marriage this year. We have two adorable boys, a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and we are in Central Florida, located just minutes away from Disney. Yay! I can't go a day without coffee. Lots of coffee.
But Woody will talk.
Woody wants to talk? Okay. Woody says hi. Yeah, you can hold him? Okay. Yeah, cowboy. Aside from coffee, I can't go a day without sweets. I am a huge cheerleader of creative girl bosses and tablescapes, really pretty tables for brands and companies and partnerships in that manner is one of my most favorite things to do. I've been doing it for about 7 years now. So that's it. I'm excited that you're here. I'm excited that you're gonna hang with me, and you can find me on my social media channels too. Cheers.